Welcome everybody. In this tutorial we will be learning how to make a trick airplane, commonly known as the glider. We will use the entire sheet of printer paper, a rectangle, and we begin with the same fold as always, folding down a corner so that the top edge is aligned with the side edge. We continue just as the same we do with other origami objects. We fold the top corner that's left down to this reference mark, thus making again the house shape. We'd have the house, the roof. Unlike the frog and the toad and the square, we're not going to fold in. We're just going to leave it like this, nice and simple. And we're going to bring the tip of the roof down to the base of the roof. We want the fold line to be as horizontal as possible. Okay. Keep it as parallel as possible to this line here. Okay. And then we have to make the wings. So we just fold this in half. We can use the tip of the roof that's now here sort of as the reference, making sure that all the sides stay nice and aligned. As you can see, all the edges line up nice and pretty. This is going to be the body of our airplane. Basically, now we just need to create the wings. So about a finger width on each side. We're going to make a horizontal fold down the wing. Again, use the edges, the back edge and the front edge as sort of reference. You can see how that wing lines up. Fold line would be about here. Repeat the process on the other side. Like so. Open it up so we have our two lines. Now we need to make little flaps on the wings. So again, about a finger width. The top wing, we're just going to fold up a little flap. You can see more or less a finger width. Repeat the process on the other side with the opposite wing. And we have our trick airplane. When you throw this airplane, it will do lots of swerves and loops and ups and downs and lefts and rights through the air. It's a very fun airplane. So, there you go.